Okay, guys. So we're back with the Mustang. Open this door right here. It's getting a little hot. Alright, so we been doing some work on it. A lot of work, or just everything from getting a couple things installed. So one thing we got installed the other day, which I wasn't planning to make a video this early because I plan on taking longer. We got a shifter installed. This is a TCI Fastgate. To go with our C4 transmission in here. And it's pretty good. It was probably like barely $150 through Amazon. Got here in like 2 days through UPS. Uh, it's pretty good for the price. It's I guess you should do for now until I get a different shifter. Probably like an outlaw. Could have saved another month's up and got an outlaw, but just to be here for now for me to mess around with, see if I like it, and then we'll see if we go outlaw. But for the money, it's pretty good. Um, it's currently in park. Yeah, it's currently in park. So you got it's locked out. It's your lockout lever. So what you're gonna do is pull up, back, in reverse, other time, neutral, and then here we're gonna be in drive. Well, here we go. In we're in drive. Second, first. So the thing about this is it's completely you're gonna be pushing it forward. This is forward pattern, I think. I think it's forward pattern. Yeah, it's first, second, and drive. So it's a 3-speed. So you have first, second, and then drive. And then pull up on it. Oh wait, there's neutral. So, and then there's reverse, and there's park. So that's a demonstration of it. That's the rundown. Again, if you're doing a 302 swap or any kind of swap in here, you could make the stock shifter work. But why not just go fast gate? It's up here, and it's up here. You can reach it. You're not reaching. You're not reaching down from here. It's right here. You're comfortable. You can move the seat forward or back depending on how you feel. It's not way down. You're not reaching down here to grab the Mustang shifter. When you're reaching down here versus right here, it's a little bit better. And same thing. We made it. We set this back a little bit just because of the button, so it does sit back quite a bit. So, and then buttons again, I can reach them comfortably. And we're gonna probably mount a button for the two-step right here, or we'll figure out how we're gonna reach it. But we're gonna either put two-step and trans brake up here, or somewhere where we're gonna make everything reachable. And next thing about this car is car's almost ready. We got some more stuff to do. We got a turbo kit currently we're working on. Same thing. Except we're buying this one. We're buying this one since there is a turbo kit available for a 302. But instead of the 4.6, me going on 3 spending 1,500, $2,000 on the turbo kit. There's a turbo kit available for this car. It's pretty cheap, and we're gonna get it on and get some things going. But recently going to the track that inspired me to get a jump on today, and seeing cars running, especially seeing cars I for sure real know my heart shit I could take on. They're sloppy on a light. They don't have good reaction time, and then a lot of them foul. You pull up in a turbo standard and you're falling flat on the line because you miss first and go straight to second. I mean that's no question. You're going straight to second on a stick shift car, which I still don't know how that's possible. So we're gonna be hopefully pulling this thing out for the last of the year. Track closes in next month, November, end of November, and it opens back up in January. So we're gonna be kind of booking it. This is my weekend off from on call at my job. So um, hopefully I can get home right away, get on the car, and try to get some things done. And then I guess we'll go from there. Uh, Six are still on the car. We still have Bart wheels on here, I believe. I think they're Bart by Bart. 302 that I built. Cars bored over. Won't say how much, but just for my sake. You know, mild cam in here. For boost, you don't want a lot of lift. So it's just a mild setup, and then we have a modified Edelbrock carburetor, which is going on here after we get intake. Same thing, a little bit of money. So once Edelbrock is on here, then we'll be getting this thing together. We'll be throwing everything just together, and then we got to get a turbo hat. So turbo hat, we got intercooler popping from work that we're gonna get from my boss. So we got probably 3 or 4 more things to do, and a fuel pressure regulator, and fuel cell, mounting a fuel cell in here, and along with a couple other things we got to do. But we're almost there. Fuel one's already ran. We got to run one more fuel line to the back, and then get ready for a fuel cell, and that'll be it. I mean, fuel pump. I'm gonna try out either a Speedway fuel pump or a Assault Racing fuel pump just for testing, and we're gonna put a boost reference regulator on there. I want to say Greg's Turbo Build, that guy's channel. He recommended a boost regulator just because of him saying he came across this. It's not really a problem, but he recommended something that's gonna be easy for me to dial in and easy for me to to adjust and get used to. And I'll probably be going with that. It's an Aeromotive 1000, I believe. Nope, that's the pump. It's an Aeromotive. I can't remember the name right off the bat, but I'll look back into it. So, since this update, I will see you guys later. Peace.